Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Pyrethrin or pyrethroids. Pyrethrin or pyrethroids. Toxicity of pyrethrin or pyrethroids is very low because of rapid metabolism. Pyrethrin and pyrethroids are used as insect repellents. Treatment of them are if the patient is symptomatic, give antihistamines and adrenaline. Both atropine and oximes are contraindicated because they cause more harm than pyrethrin. So for pyrethrin, atropine and oximes are contraindicated.
thank you and thank you for watching.